5 Best Hair Dryer 2024. 1. Kiss. The Kiss 1875-watt Pro Tourmaline ceramic hair dryer offers super styling power with its lightweight yet potent 1875-watt ceramic design. It features 3 heat settings, a 2-speed slide switch, and a cool shot button for temperature control, ensuring fast and durable drying while smoothing hair without harming cuticles. The professional design includes an ergonomic handle, a hanging loop for easy storage, and accessories like 2 detangler combs, 1 concentrator, 1 diffuser, a removable filter cap, and 4 sectioning clips. Employing anti-frizz technology with tourmaline ceramic, it emits negative ions for smoother, healthier hair, sealing in moisture and creating shiny, salon-styled results. 2. Revlon Turbo Hair Dryer. The Revlon Turbo Hair Dryer offers 1875 watts of power for maximum shine and fast drying. It incorporates ionic technology to combat frizz and static, resulting in soft, smooth, and shiny hair. The ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution to prevent overstyling and minimize damage while drying hair quickly. The Turbo Airflow button increases airflow by up to 50% for faster drying. With 3 heat and 2 speed settings, users have control over their drying preferences, including a cool shot option. The dryer also features a soft feel handle for comfortable hold and control. 3. BaBylissPRO Hair Dryer. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hair Dryer offers 2000 watts of power and lightweight ergonomic handling, reducing hand fatigue during use. Utilizing nano titanium ionic technology, it dries hair faster and minimizes frizz. Ideal for all hair types, including thick and coarse hair, this dryer promotes shiny, healthy-looking hair with gentle, even heat distribution. 4. Conair Hair Dryer with Diffuser. The Conair Hair Dryer with Diffuser features an 1875-watt AC motor for powerful airflow, ionic technology for smooth, shiny, frizz-free hair, and titanium ceramic technology for faster drying and less damage. It offers 3 heat and 2 speed settings, a cold shot button, and comes with a diffuser for textured styles and a concentrator for smooth styles. 5. Revlon Compact Hair Dryer. The Revlon Compact Hair Dryer offers salon-style blowouts, waves, and curls in a lightweight and compact design suitable for travel. It features 2 heat, speed settings for versatile styling options and is designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. The dryer operates on 120 volts outlets and has a wattage of 1875 watts, though the wattage may vary depending on the location of use. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.